All right, guys, the Computex 2026 with some new memory from Corsair. Eugene?
Hey, nice to meet you.
Great.
Yep.
Let's go and see what you've got.
Okay, let's walk over here. We'll start with our new Shugo DRAM. So this right here is our Shugo DRAM. It's limited edition designs. As you can see, we've taken Japanese-inspired designs right here. And so these are all UV printed on the heat spreader, and you can see we're using micro drill technology to get these holes in the heat spreader, and that's how we get the LEDs to bleed through.
Oh,
yeah!
Look at those LED dots right there. So you actually drilled into these heat shields.
Exactly.
To get your lighting effect there.
Exactly, and all of these drilled holes are customized based on the actual design itself. It's something we're really excited about. And all of this lighting is still controlled through IQ, so you can customize this light however you want. These are just the default colors, but you can go in there and set it however you want. The different effects, you can do strobing, a wave pattern. So
yeah. So this is something in collaboration with this.
With a French artist is what we did with this one. Yep.
And when's it going to be available? These.
So we actually launched this on our web store on May 26th. Right. So that's the retail packaging right there. What you get with the Shugo is it comes in a pack of 4, right? So what you're going to get is you're going to get 2 actual DRAM modules, and then the other 2 are actually just LED modules. So it allows you to complete the look. When you're doing your build, you get to fill up all 4 slots.
Nice. Yeah. Of course, got the Corsair there, LED strip right here, and fantastic. Look at the artwork on this. Amazing. All right, so these are the 2 modules. Okay, cool.
So this right here is showcasing the CQ DIMM. Right, so right now it's supported on Intel platform, but this is quad channel memory. So what this allows you to do is actually have 2 ranks on one side. So right now what you see there is 256 gigabytes of memory on 2 sticks. Right now it's a limited support on certain motherboards, but I think as Intel rolls out their new platforms, then there's going to be more and more support for the CQ DIMM coming up. Yes, and that's what we have so far.
So 128 gig.
Yep.
And
per stick, 128.
And for an full Intel XMP.
Exactly.
And what's the speed again?
For that one particular, I think it's 7200. Cast latency 56.
Yeah.
But it could actually, the performance can actually get a lot better than that.
Yeah. A little bit of overclocking, but sure.
Yes.
But the whole point is to show high capacity RAM running at DDR5 7200 XMP enabled. So it works flawlessly, right?
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Exactly.
All right.
Okay,
cool. So these are the RAM modules. I noticed you got something interesting over here. What is these?
So these are actually our EX400U NVMe SSDs. So these are USB 4. They're actually one of the fastest on the market. It's 4,000 megabits per second. And these are actually have MagSafe. So they attach to the back of your iPhone. And then they come with the 90-degree bend angle cables, so then you connect it right in. So what it allows you to do is actually record content directly into the drive. So when you export it onto your laptop to do your post-editing work, it's a lot faster that way.
What capacities are they available?
I'm sorry? Okay, so for capacities, we have they come in 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and 4 terabyte at the moment.
USB 4 connection?
Yep, USB 4 connection. Yep.
And you can plug straight into your phone, start recording?
Yes, absolutely.
Excellent. Yep. And again, same thing with the designs. Here you go, you can check it out. Very nice design.
Exactly.
Nice artwork there. 4 terabyte, up to 4 terabyte capacity, USB 4 connection, external drive. Perfect for iPhones, Android phones, for recording. Creator style, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.